Hi folks, I want to make a really quick video about this, the handle. How do you hold the handle when you're rowing? Now, I would suggest that you hold the handle shoulder width apart, okay? So almost with your little pinky fingers hanging off the edge. That gives you a great kind of spring cage between the handle, your arms and your chest when your arms are straight as you come into the front. That lets you hang off the handle as opposed to holding it really close in the middle, which then suddenly you're having to use your forearms in order to brace against it. So shoulder width is much preferred to narrow. Thumbs, well, that's kind of up to you, although physiologically, if you have your thumbs underneath, it does kind of have a straight line of your tendons and muscles, etc., going down towards the handle. If you have your thumbs on top, what it does is it moves it slightly to the side, and that's where you're more likely to get tennis elbow. And of course, make sure that you have your fingers in a nice light hooked grip over the handle, rather than choking the life out of the thing, okay? This is not a snake that you're trying to kill, okay? If you go all tense and at the front, you're just going to waste energy. It's going to fight against that power from your legs that come up through your posterior chain into the machine. A nice loose grip, fingers hooked over the handle. And if you do have your thumbs underneath, nice kind of flapping about, that adds a lot of airflow to your palm, reduces sweat, and that's got to be a good thing. So for other tips like this, please check out the main RowAlong channel. Until the next time, row well, be well. Bye-bye.